Hey guys, not too long ago I got this Poulan Pro PP4218A. I know I have another one the same exact thing that has like a big ass muffler on it, but I have been welding up a muffler here. It's really bad, I know. My welder sucks and I suck, but it kind of works. It leaks a bit, so I'm trying to work on making it not leak anymore. Please give me some advice in the comments because I suck at this type of stuff. So I just have to put gas in this thing and then see if it actually runs. I mean, I know it runs. It obviously runs. I've already ran it before with the original muffler on, but it's just, I don't know, I don't know if that muffler is any louder, so we're gonna test it. Oh yeah, it's bone dry in there. I don't know how I ran this thing before, but whatever. I'm not gonna fill it up to the brim, but it's kind of full. It's over the filter, so I'm pretty sure that's gonna be good for just trying to start it here. The primer bulb. Okay, now it's hard. It's on. Let's see. Maybe I should put the choke on. Okay, I'm gonna get it started, then I'll get you guys back to it. Be asking me in the comments, or maybe not because I'm not that famous, why the exhaust is like directly in the way of the the bar. Well, the guy, when I got it, he took the oil pump and the clutch kit off of it, so and I'm not wasting the last $50 I have in my account because I ordered too much stuff off of Amazon for my lawnmower. I'm not using the rest of that money. Probably gonna mow lawns to make it back, but so this thing's probably, you might see videos of me blowing this thing up later. Like what I did with my, with my grandpa's snowblower and my leaf blower. But yeah, so you guys might see me blow this thing up. So just be ready for that. And this is our welder. It's kind of like bad. It's just got minimum, maximum, and 1, 2, and wire speed. There's no like temperature or anything. It's a really bad welder, but we are using flux core, so whatever. I'm running out of time. See you guys later. Hopefully we can blow this thing up. Bye.